Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to accept license agreement on Rocket League. So this tutorial will be quick, just make sure to subscribe and also leave a like if you will find this guide useful. All you need to do is go ahead on settings, and then you're going to see extras, you want to click on that, and then you will see legal agreements. So you will see all of these. So what you need to do is open up every single one of those, open it up, and then scroll down to the bottom of the page and then click OK. After that, do the same for terms of service, and then privacy policy, then SEC Act, and this one. So that's pretty much it, how it works. All you need to do, if for some reason this didn't work, make sure to just close Rocket League and open it up again. And then this problem should be fixed. If nothing fixes that, you want to go ahead and uninstall Rocket League and install it again. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.